This is a demo video for this new motorized toy I've designed and 3D printed and built. I'll turn it on. It's got a Coke can controller for the control forward. Spins when you hit reverse to steer. It's got LEDs for eyes. It's got a little helmet on, held on with magnets. There's a TT motor down in there, single TT motor. Switch down here to turn it off. The tracks are put in place. They come out a little bit on the loose side, but I have another print that I printed on a Creality that's not quite as loose, so I thought I'd just leave them this way. I'm fairly confident it can be printed on different printers. I printed these on an A1 Mini. They come off just loose, just like that. Didn't have to break them or anything. Break them loose or work them. I printed it in several different colors. These little grills here are black and gray back there. They're inlays, so you glue these in. That way it's easier to get them colored. The same way with the front grill, the side grill. A little smokestack, some controls, like control arms for driving it. The little guy's supposed to be driving it. They're glued in place. Arms are held on just screws. We'll show it. I'll show the tracks running up close. It's got a little blade on the front. Just kind of an afterthought, really. Headlights. These are printed in two different colors. This is the only part that I use the A1 Mini's AMS on, with two different colors for the headlights. I was going to use it to make this vest thing he's wearing yellow, but I ran out of gray filament, so I didn't want to print the robot driver in a different color. Thought it might look funny in blue or red or anything like that. Well, the files will be on Thingiverse, Printables, and MakerWorld, just as usual. I'll be doing a separate build video as soon as I get this video shot or completed. So thanks for watching.